Sorry YouTube, had to whip out the camera, the OG camera. It's currently 5 a.m. About to go to Los Angeles for the first time. Business trip, linking up with some mentors, linking up with some barbers out there. David Escamilla, if you guys know him, shout out to him. We're about to link up with him. Deluxe, we're about to link up with him. Gonna cut a few people, maybe like 3, 4, we'll see. Edit content out there, bounce ideas off the other barbers, and just have a good time, you know. I'm gonna shoot some content out there, so I'm looking forward to it. Anyways, let's go. YouTube was good. This haircut was from a long time ago. I think like December last year, right before the new year. So about like 6 months. Anyways, I'm using his clippers. It's my dog David. He's out in LA, Long Beach specifically. Want a free haircut? Go to this link down below for more info. He's also a barber, so if you guys are interested in checking out his channel, everything's gonna be down below. Dope. He does tutorials, he teaches beginners how to fade. I think he also does one-on-one coaching, so check him out. Anyways, we're gonna start this fade off. We're using his tools, like I said, so I wasn't too comfortable, but we got the job done. He just wanted to fade, nothing off the top, no front lineup. I believe these are the Stylecraft Rebels. And his hair, he kind of got like that thick, like, I can't even describe his texture. It's like shaggy, dog hair kind of. But we're giving him like a mid drop fade pretty much. And I ain't gonna lie, I kind of mess with these clippers. I personally don't have them, but he told me just trust me and use them. And I used them, they was definitely dope. But I had a great time out in LA. You know, I recommend checking out new cities. That's kind of what I've been on lately. You know, I'm from the East Coast, where Philly's right near New York. So, you know, I'm in New York a lot. But if you've never seen the West Coast, you got to see it, man. Like, it's a dope experience for sure. Something I wasn't used to. So as you can see, we just lined up his C-cup. We kind of had to fix it. Kind of had a lot of bulk. I know he usually does self-cuts, and when you self-cut a lot, it's kind of hard to really detail it. You can see his dog in the background. So we're gonna start the other side. As you can see, kind of like where the parietal ridge is, he kind of has like that line of bulk. Kind of because I combed it down also, to kind of smooth out that transition area. So we're gonna do this side. Highest guard I'm going with is a 3. And I'm just scooping out pretty much. If you guys are interested in getting a free haircut by me, email a picture of your hair to the email if you're in the Philly area or Jersey, wherever. And if you're woofing and you look like you need a haircut, I will approve you. If I don't approve you, don't take it personal. It just means I probably already filled the spot, because I have it on a request basis, so you have to request it. It's not, if you request it, it doesn't mean you automatically booked. You just gotta wait for me to approve it. So we're starting on the back. We're gonna do the same step. And I tried In-N-Out Burger, wasn't a fan, was not a fan. I think I went to the one in Long Beach. I liked Long Beach better than LA, personally. Long Beach is more of my scene. I'm a beach guy, swimmer, ocean dude, lake, rivers, all that. LA was too packed for me. Traffic was crazy too. So as you can see, the fade's coming together very smooth and nice. And we're just gonna detail now. Kind of knocking off that bulk near the C cup. I didn't like how dark it looked. It's crazy because even though this haircut was so long ago, I still remember it. Like, as a barber, you remember certain haircuts. Like, you just remember. So we're gonna line this C cup up. His clippers aren't super sharp like mine, so I had to adjust to it. So we're gonna trim his beard down. I think this is a 3. I want to say a 3. He has a very wild and husky beard, so it grows all over the place. He keeps it well maintained though. So we're gonna start right at his neckline. I leaned them back just so we can have like a natural. Sometimes when you make them put their neck up and you shape it up straight like that, once they release and put their neck back down to its neutral position, then the line is crooked. So try this. And notice how I'm not keeping it too natural. A lot of people are scared to push in beard lines. Like me personally, from my beard, I like it being pushed down to make it sharp. It's gonna grow back regardless. If your beard's high, it's high. If it's low, it's low. There's nothing you could do about it. He has like that medium. It's like not high, but it's not low. So I applied some shave gel, and I'm just gonna use his razor that he had. I don't know what brand this was, I forget. But I know it was like some type of, I forget what brand it was. So this is the before. I did this cut late at night. It was late. And this is the after. Something simple, nothing too crazy, just a quick fade. I flew to LA for this. It's 4. I'm out. Peace.